Gifted, but he was discouraged. This evening, we tell the story of a determined artist who says despite the challenges he faced in life, he'll paint until his last breath. Here's Kian Morgan with a ray of hope.
If I give up, I just count myself worthless.
Resilience. It's what Cadneil Patton of Strathbogie, Westmoreland has used to keep his dreams alive for over 70 years. The 74-year-old says that since he was a toddler, he has been displaying artistic characteristics. However,
at age 3, when I was drawing, my parents never too liked the idea because they look at it as true. They weren't so educated in knowing that the child is going to be an artist or something. They say it's idleness and I must stop drop on the board on the side of the house and all around. So they beat me for it.
The lack of support followed him even through primary school. He remembers a time when teachers would ask him to create charts for class. But even then, his parents thought he was wasting time.
If my father come in it now and said, okay, my mother cannot manage it now, so therefore now I pass it over to my father, which grabbed me around my waist and really give me some heavy flogging, and still that never stopped me from doing it.
However, it wasn't until his adolescent years where his pursuits were taken seriously. And over the years, he has managed to showcase his skills at dozens of exhibitions, selling thousands of pieces. But still, more challenges surfaced. Mr. Patton says he was exploited.
A man came here and buy some painting, and one of them got damaged, and he take it back to me and asked me to repair it for him. But he forgot to tear off the price tag. So when I repair it, I see that he was selling it for 650 US. And the man never stopped rub me down till he only pay like 6,000 for that big painting. I don't mean 6,000 US, 6,000 Jamaican.
But he pressed on.
When I'm sad and I stretch my canvas, I just get a sudden joy and it is very, and I inspire, and when I inspire people, I feel good.
Mr. Patton, who also loves music and poetry, is encouraging others to press on despite being discouraged.
Anytime you are doing this thing and you tell yourselves, I cannot continue, that's where the downfall come.
With a ray of hope, I am Kian Morgan.